Good evening, guys. Today is 25th of June 2020, and I am trying to analyze the market. That is the Nifty and Bank Nifty futures chart for tomorrow, 26th June 2020. As I discussed here yesterday, that don't trade until you get a W formation showing you the hourly chart. Today, exactly the same scenario occurred. Today most of my viewers, I guess, have entered the trade. Here is the W, you can see. In Nifty, here is the W. Now it has appeared. Okay. So, I discussed here yesterday that don't trade until you get a W formation, this W formation. In the Bank Nifty chart, here too, a W formation. Today exactly the same scenario has occurred, and I think most of my traders, most of my viewers, sorry, most of my co-traders have entered the trade today. I have already discussed the stop loss yesterday. I said the low of the lower bottom of the W should be my stop loss on the closing basis. That is this bottom. Why? Because among these two bottoms, it could have formed here also. But as it has formed a higher bottom, it's a very good scenario. This lower of the two bottoms, this bottom is the lower of these two bottoms. So the low of these bottom should be kept as a stop loss on the closing basis. Now the question arises, what would be my target? 1 minute. The target depends upon individual traders. Somebody can take this high as a target, but according to me, I will take this area, this zone as my target. If someone has taken long in one lot of Nifty, he should book his profit at this level. But if someone has taken more than one lot of Nifty, he should book half of his quantity here and let the other half run with a trailing stop. He can put this trailing stop here, whatsoever. That is his prerogative too. Now, after getting the resistance here, after facing resistance here, Nifty and Bank Nifty will do the same thing. It will come down, make a higher bottom from these two bottoms, and then will try to go up, and ultimately it will break this high too. But if it makes a lower low from these two lows, then the scenario will be completely changed. We have to analyze at that very moment in a different way. But for now, I think it will do this type of scenario, because the weekly gap up, as I have discussed in my earlier videos, is providing me with the support of breaking this. The traders who have created that gap up will help us break the Nifty, this high, this Bank Nifty's high and the Nifty's high. See here, again problem. Whatsoever, that will help breaking this high. So that weekly gap up is more important to me at this very scenario. Today somebody asked me about option chain. See, actually option chain is a different form of analysis, and I don't want to make it more complex. Already people are paralyzed by different forms of analysis, and I want to keep my analysis as simple as possible and as simply based on price action only, not anything others. Actually everything is dependent upon price, and I have told you, except two things, that is volume and the open interest. These two are independent of the price actions, and they are dependent individually upon themselves. These are the two important things rather than price, which I put into consideration when I analyze the market. But how I do so is beyond the scope of the discussion here. I am telling you simple price action and simple price action. Please rely on this, because price action is the king. There are lots of strategies in this market, and no strategy is permanent. Strategy often changes with the market environment. Market environment changes, and so the strategy should be changed accordingly. But when talking about price action, it's evergreen. So price action is the king and the most logical thing I have ever experienced in this market. And as discussed earlier, another two things are equally important. They are volume and open interest. Now, before ending, I would like to remind you of subscribing to the channel and pushing the bell icon so that you can get further notifications as I upload videos more and more. Also share to your fellow traders so that they can also take advantage of my analysis. Thus you can help others. Also feel free to like and comment with any suggestions, if any. Thank you and goodbye. Wishing you a happy trading tomorrow.